Welcome back. In this video, I am going to help you with the tips and tricks to improve the battery life of iOS 11 device. So let's get started. Bluetooth is actually not turned off when you turn off from the control center. Let's see how. Just turn on the Bluetooth from settings. Go to the control center. Just turn it off. It's saying disconnecting Bluetooth device until tomorrow. Go to settings to turn it off. Similarly, it applies for the Wi-Fi settings too. Just turn on the Wi-Fi. Go to the control center. Turn it off. It's saying disconnecting nearby Wi-Fi until tomorrow. So if you go to the Wi-Fi setting, it's still turn on. So just turn it off to actually turn off the Wi-Fi. Next, go to the mobile data. Just scroll down to the bottom and see there is a Wi-Fi assist option. This will use the battery when you are on a bad Wi-Fi. Just turn it off. So next one is related to the notification. Go to the notification and see how many apps have been enabled for the notification. So if you are not interested in the particular app for the notification, just turn it off. This will save a lot of battery. So next one is related to the wallpaper. Just go to the wallpaper settings, select the wallpaper and make sure it is selected as a still. So next one is related to the Siri and search. Just go to the Siri and search settings and then make sure listen for Hey Siri is disabled. And further you can disable the apps to be scanned by the Siri for the responses.